Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are presenting on Gol Gappa, small in size but big in taste. Gol Gappa, Zaike ka dhamaka.
Gol Gappa is the most popular street foods. Its crispy shell, spicy pani, and the delicious filling make every bite full of fun.
Different places have different names. Gol Gappa, Pani Puri or Puchuka. But one thing is same, everyone loves it.
So remember, every bite delicious and nice. And Gol Gappa, हर bite में मजा ही मजा.
So let me tell you the ingredients which are being used in making this pani puri. The first ingredient is semolina or suji we can say, and sometimes we use wheat and flour as well. Maida is used in it to increase its crispiness, water for kneading the dough, salt for its taste, and oil for deep frying.
So let me tell you the ingredients which are being used in the mixture which are being put in the crispy balls. This mixture is made up of boiled potatoes and black chana or we can say chickpeas, and plus it's also made up of chopped onions. So let me show you how we can fill this. This is the mixture which we are putting inside these crispy balls.
So for flavored water, we use mint leaves also known as pudina, and we also use green chilies, black salt and water. Now our Gol Gappa is ready to serve.
Thank you everyone. Hope you enjoyed our Gol Gappa activity.